Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today, we are exploring the surprising history of cars.
Most of us use cars without thinking about how strange their journey has been.
Let's begin with 7 short sentences.
The earliest road vehicles used steam power.
Some early cars needed a person walking in front.
Carl Benz patented a petrol-powered car in 1886.
Bertha Benz proved that cars could travel long distances.
Electric cars were common more than a century ago.
Ford made car production faster and more affordable.
Seatbelts later made everyday driving much safer.
Steam-powered cars sound more like moving kettles than modern vehicles.
That is true, but they were an important first step.
I imagine they were slow, noisy, and difficult to control.
They were, and early roads were not designed for them either.
Britain even had laws requiring a person to walk ahead with a red flag.
That must have made driving feel less exciting.
Yes, your car could not really escape the walking pace.
Then, Carl Benz introduced a practical petrol-powered vehicle.
It had 3 wheels, so it looked quite different from today's cars.
The bigger surprise for me is Bertha Benz.
She took the car on a long journey without telling her husband first.
That was bold, especially when petrol stations did not exist.
She found fuel at a pharmacy and solved problems along the way.
So her trip was part family journey and part road test.
Exactly, and it showed that the car could be useful in real life.
I like that history often changes because someone decides to try.
And sometimes that person also has to fix the machine.
Her journey helped people take the new invention seriously.
It also became an early example of clever publicity.
Cars were no longer just strange machines for inventors.
Now let's move to 8 more sentences.
Electric cars were popular in cities around 1900.
Early electric cars were quiet and easy to drive.
The moving assembly line changed car manufacturing.
The Model T helped ordinary families own a car.
The 3-point seatbelt appeared in 1959.
Modern cars use technology to reduce accidents.
Hybrid cars combine fuel engines with electric power.
Electric vehicles are changing transport once again.
It is surprising that electric cars were popular so early.
Yes, many people think they are a completely new idea.
They were quiet, clean at the point of use, and easy to start.
Petrol cars were harder to operate, but they improved quickly.
Then Ford changed everything with faster mass production.
The Model T became more affordable for ordinary workers.
That gave people freedom, but it also changed roads and cities.
More cars meant more traffic, more parking, and longer suburbs.
Every invention seems to solve one problem and create another.
That is true, especially when everyone wants to drive at the same time.
Safety improved slowly as cars became faster and more common.
The three-point seatbelt was one of the most important improvements.
Today, hybrids and electric cars are beginning another major shift.
Car history keeps moving forward, but old ideas often return in new forms.
Great work completing today's Shadowcast.
You do not need to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and notice what becomes easier.
Speak out loud and let your rhythm improve naturally.
See you in the next lesson.